freelancer na malaki income, pwede ba mag-itemize? The answer is yes, pwede. So i-review mo sa accountant mo dahil syempre malaki ng income mo, maganda may mag-advise sa'yo or tax advisor mo kung anong best tax option for you. Mamimili ka kung si 8% income tax rate option, si graduated income tax rate / itemized deduction, or si graduated income tax rate / optional standard deduction. So tatlo yung pagpipilian mo. Take note, hindi lang naman sa tax due binibase minsan kung ano yung magandang piliin. Kasi si itemized deduction may added bookkeeping requirement yan. Syempre minsan, for example, sa mga accounting services, pag itemized deduction yung client, usually mas mataas yung service fee dahil mas maraming work na kailangan. So titignan mo rin, yun nga, i-review nyo with your accountant kung ano yung mas maganda. Ganun siya. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.